Idaho Lorax. We're only going to make you walk up here once this time.
Idaho Lorax, General Delivery, Pocatello, Idaho. Just got quite a few things working in progress. I am the general coordinator, for those of you who don't know, for Win-Win Way United, for all their projects and groups and things that are under those things. And I'll mention a couple, of course, Pocatello Shoot and our attempt of, again, here to make a famous world event. And are utilizing our trench through town for a good purpose. In other words, races of bikes and running races through water is a challenge. And so we hope to bring helping businesses and jobs, of course, all involved in that. Kind of like my work with Lava in the past. Hopefully we can overcome all those little obstacles and have a nice track right through town and attract people from all over the world to see a very unique types of events. And then, of course, there's the cleanup issue, the Great Pocatello Cleanup, or the Let's Do It. We've connected with the Let's Do It World campaign, making sure we're all on page, so bringing things together here, cleaning up our community, 13 districts. We have publicizing with schools and groups and all kinds of others and organizations coming together in the spring to clean up. Remember the term spring cleanup? It's kind of, of course, most of us are doing it now in February, but anyways, cleaning up our homes, cleaning up our community, which is our home. So rather than wait till the fall and actually doing it on Earth Day without interfering, just enhancing Earth Day to show as models for all our children, young people who go there, is the day of the cleanup, of the Great Pocatello Cleanup of the 13 districts known as Trash Alley. So we hope to see you all participating in some way with everybody else. So we're looking forward to that. Let me see, one other little thing. This has been just a great day and a great week. And that looks like a sincere smile there, Brian.
It's always a sincere smile.
Otherwise, pay attention, read the Pocatello State Journal, Untold Stories. We like comments and feedbacks, and I like helping out those people, and in other words, telling it like it should be in Pocatello. Otherwise, no more raids on people from your advisory committee trying to meet with me and talk to me on human relations, okay? Thank you.
Thank you.